Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this maintenance task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air. It's essential to have these tools ready to ensure a smooth process. Start by powering down your Lenovo Ideapad 514ALC05 and disconnecting all external devices. Remove the power adapter and let the laptop cool down if it has been in use. This precaution helps prevent any damage during the maintenance. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the panel in place. Keep track of the screws, as they can be of different sizes. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom panel using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic opening tool. Be careful not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. With the panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Begin by using the can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris from the fans and vents. This step is crucial to prevent overheating and ensure proper airflow. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any liquid propellant from escaping. After cleaning the fans, take a look at the RAM and storage components. If you want to upgrade or replace these parts, gently release the clips holding the RAM in place and remove it. Remember, if you're uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you make the right choice. Next, check the hard drive or SSD. If it appears dusty, use the compressed air to clean it as well. Reinstall the RAM and hard drive carefully, ensuring everything is seated correctly. If you need assistance, our service includes quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Once you've finished cleaning and inspecting the components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Align the bottom panel back onto the chassis, ensuring that all clips are secured. Replace the screws firmly but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the threads. Finally, flip the laptop back over, reconnect the power adapter, and power it on. Check to ensure that everything is functioning properly. If you notice any issues after your maintenance, remember, you can always reach out for support. No calls, no travel, just hassle-free service at your fingertips. With regular maintenance, your Lenovo Ideapad 514ALC05 will perform optimally, extending its lifespan and enhancing your overall experience. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.